Okay, so I want to give you guys some useful insight when it comes to the calculation of turnover ratios, right? So we have these different variations of turnover ratios: asset turnover, fixed asset turnover, receivables turnover, inventory turnover, payables turnover. Now I want you guys to notice some patterns here, okay? First of all, asset turnover, denominator is total assets. Fixed asset turnover, denominator is fixed assets. Receivables turnover, denominator is receivables. Inventory turnover, denominator is inventory. Payables turnover, the denominator is accounts payable. In other words, whatever word precedes the turnover part appears as the denominator, right? Always. So that's one thing that you can easily use to calculate turnover ratio. So just off the top of your head, inventory turnover, inventory is in the denominator. Receivables turnover, receivables is in the denominator, right? Furthermore, if we look at the numerators, asset turnover, sales, fixed asset turnover, sales, receivables turnover, sales, right? Inventory turnover has cost of sales and payables turnover has purchases. But most turnover ratios have revenue or sales as the numerator, the exceptions being inventory and payables. And for inventory and payables, keep in mind that inventory uses cost of sales, so it's related to sales, and payables turnover uses purchases, which is related to cost of sales. So sometimes companies substitute purchases with cost of sales. Okay? So rules to remember: any turnover ratio, whatever precedes turnover is in the denominator, and most turnover ratios have sales in the numerator. That should make it easier to remember those formulas.